This place runs quietly, but it handles extraordinary value. Gold begins its journey, mixed with ordinary rock. Before gold can be refined, it must be freed. This rock has held gold for millions of years. Now the gold can move. Size must be reduced before value can be revealed. Gold hides best in small places.
This is only the beginning. Stone becomes powder, slowly, patiently.
Gold does not shine yet, but it is closer. Chemistry now replaces force. Precision keeps the process honest. Here, gold is still invisible, but it can be persuaded to move. Motion keeps every grain exposed. Consistency matters more than speed.
Carbon is patient
Artistics
in
tequila.
and selective. Gold attaches itself quietly.
Nothing valuable is left to chance. Gold is still hidden, but no longer lost.
Now, gold must be separated again.
Heat and chemistry work together once more.
Electricity now takes over the work.
Gold returns to solid, one layer at a time. What once hid in stone is now visible.
This is not yet beauty, but it is real gold. Gold is solid again, but not yet pure.
Fire will finish what chemistry began.
Gold has always answered to heat.
At this temperature, nothing hides. Precision matters, even in fire.
This is gold in its oldest form.
Shape is given, weight follows.
Cooling locks the metal in place.
These are not finished, but they are honest.
Every bar must prove itself.
Purity is never assumed.
Numbers decide what words cannot.
This is nearly as pure as gold can be.
Identity gives gold its history. From chaos, order remains. Purity is measured, but finish is earned.
Even gold needs care after fire.
Human eyes still matter here.
Weight never lies.
What cannot be seen is still measured.
Order protects value. Gold moves only where permission allows. Security is built, not assumed.
Stillness is the final step.
Once stored, gold waits.
Protection never sleeps. This place handles wealth without celebration. The cycle does not end. Routine is discipline made visible.
Order keeps chaos outside.
Gold is tracked as carefully as it is made. Proof travels with value. Movement begins only with permission.
Distance demands protection.
Security is a process, not a moment.
Gold never travels alone.
Stability protects more than metal.
Responsibility moves before the wheels do.
Gold leaves quietly. The work continues without pause.
What leaves is replaced.
Records keep memory honest.
Care today prevents loss tomorrow.
Time passes, discipline remains. This balance is earned, not announced.
Darkness changes nothing here.
Stability is the quiet goal.
Experience learns when not to interfere.
Watching is part of protection.
Stillness can be powerful. Accuracy must be checked, even when nothing changes. Preparation is invisible work. Small sounds tell big stories. Everything has its place. Another day begins without announcement.
Responsibility continues across generations.
The cycle always returns to the beginning.
Value is built quietly.
This is how precision looks.
Gold looks simple in the end because the hard work is behind it.
Uniformity is the reward of discipline. Every bar carries a history. Handling never becomes casual.
Even short distances deserve care.
Protection increases as value concentrates.
Gold ends its journey in silence.
Stillness is part of security.
Once sealed, nothing moves.
Order has been restored.
Nothing changes on the surface.
The cycle never truly ends.
Looks good on this end. Confirmed.
Experience speaks without words.
This balance is carefully maintained. This is how 99.99% pure gold is made.
Morning returns. The work remains.
What was finished yesterday begins again today.
Gold never arrives clean.
Stability is earned through repetition.
Care is part of production.
Protection does not need attention.
Precision waits patiently.
Gold does not hurry.
When closed, nothing moves. What leaves here travels far.
Value moves quietly.
Experience keeps the process steady.
This is how order looks.
Gold is not made in moments, but in systems.
Thanks for watching.